This is the box which it comes in. This is the protective cover in which you need to store your duster after you have used it, and this is how it comes. A brand new duster looks like. So let me open up the packaging and showcase it to you. And this is how a brand new duster looks like, all white, gleaming and shining new. So let me showcase it to you how to use this duster. First, take it and give it a bit of a swirl like this to loosen up the strands and lose dust if you're using it everyday basis. Always start from the top of the car. As you can see over here, the amount of dust we are having is pretty high. So take the duster, give it a some amount of swirls and simply glide it on top of the surface. No need to apply any pressure. There you go. It's getting cleaned without any effort. So always start from the top and progress down. Now let's clean the windows over here and the door side. So this is how this duster works. So you can see how easily it has cleaned the dust from there's nothing left now, all nice and clean. The secret to this is these strands. These are coated with paraffin wax and they are able to lift the dust without scratching the surface. That's the best thing of it. And using this you can save water on a daily basis. That's almost like 15 liters of water. So guys, as I said, so this is the duster which I've been using for almost a year. You can look at how grey it has become, the amount of dust and everything. This is the bonnet of the car. As again you can see the amount of dust we have over here. So let me just use this duster which is I've been using for almost a year, how it works. After every panel you finish off, like this is a big panel, take the duster and give it a swirl like this so it loses the dust which are there in it. Now again simply work it up and clean the panel. So as you can see, there is no dust or anything now, all clean.